Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Christmas wreaths available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have National Tree Christmas Wreath. It is designed with a frosted berry branch base. This pre-lit artificial Christmas wreath is 24 inches wide and decorated with pine cones and frosted branches. This wreath features over 100 individually crafted branch tips. That's creating a lush and full-bodied hanging decoration that is sure to impress family and friends alike. This hanging wreath decoration is built to bring holiday cheer for years to come. It is constructed with sturdy high-quality materials and hypoallergenic fire-resistant needles. It is suitable as an indoor or outdoor Christmas decoration. At number 6 we have Hami Christmas Wreath. Hami Christmas Wreath is perfect Christmas decorations for home and it will make your front door more attractive. The Hami Christmas Wreath is pre-lit with 20 warm white lights. The maximum diameter of the wreath is 16 inches. You can set the timer for the lights to turn 6 hours on and 18 hours off every day automatically. You can place Hami lighted Christmas wreath on your front door or window to welcome friends. Or hang it on the sofa or fireplace to bring festive atmosphere to the whole family. At number 5 we have Generic Christmas Wreath. It featuring full realistic branch tips. This Christmas wreath offers an appearance of fullness, while the pre-lit design and pre-attached red berries leaves and 7 big natural pine cones channel the beauty of nature and save on decorating time. It offers a warm holiday welcome for guests and loved ones with this outdoor Christmas wreath. It is constructed from flame retardant and durable ABS materials. This wreath is a safe addition to your Christmas decorations that allows for safe display above your fireplace mantle. The wireframe is made of premium stainless steel, which wrapped with PVC to prevent scratching the surfaces, while also adding stability to the lighted wreath. At number 4 we have Scranton Christmas Wreath. This delightful Christmas wreath features foam red berries artificial Christmas leaves embellished. It also comes with glittering ornament that's making your home more different and attractive. You can place on your front door or window to welcome guests, or simply hang it inside over a sofa or fireplace to bring holiday and festival. This cute wreath will make your door stand out the street. The wreath is handmade and will arrive shaped in a box, so you can adjust branches to any direction to form a perfect shape. The wreath will arrive to your doorstep packed in a box to protect your gorgeous wreath. At number 3 we have a Dean Christmas Wreath. The artificial Christmas wreath is embellished with assorted size red and gold shatterproof ball ornaments, red berries, pine cones, poinsettias and a large red bow-knot. The classic red and gold scheme gives the traditional Christmas feeling. The finished Christmas wreath measures approximately 30 inches in diameter, full and lush. This gorgeous large wreath will impress your guests and loved ones throughout the Christmas season. This Christmas wreath is pre-strung with 40 battery-operated warm white LED lights with 6 hours. This holiday wreath can be used indoors and outdoors. It will look fantastic to hang the wreath on the front entrance on the lobby wall. At number 2 we have CX Top Christmas Wreath. The pre-lit artificial branches snowflakes look ultra-realistic and lifelike. It comes with 80 individually crafted branch tips. This wreath is as charming as the real thing. The time-tested needles are fire-resistant and non-allergenic. The wreath about measures 18 inches in diameter. It is perfect indoor and outdoor decoration for Christmas wedding, home, wall and window. It comes with 1 red bow, 12 pine cones, 3 groups of red berries, 9 mushrooms and 8 Christmas leaves, and a string of 40 warm LED lights. At number 1 we have Hami Christmas Wreath. The light-up Christmas wreath measures 24 inches and the inner ring is made of a 12-inch rattan circle. The handmade artificial wreath is decorated with realistic red berries and pine cones, and the pine needle is painted with snow effect, and more suitable for winter decor. The built-in 20 LED lights are upgraded, which are brighter and more eye-catching, look beautiful in the nighttime, and can easily provide a warm and festive atmosphere your Christmas Eve. It is designed with timer function. Just turn to the timer button. The wreath will light up for 6 hours and turn off automatically. The package comes with a metal hanger which is made from high-quality steel, smooth and durable, and will not damage the door and door frame. You can rest assured to use. The wreath hanger measures 15 inches. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Christmas wreath for your need.